But on the left-hand side, that's on the branch of the canal. This is a smaller canal. These canals were built like a network canal connected with each other. And the local people, they all travel by boat. Each houses, you have the rowing boat. But along the canal here, the waterway is still important for those people who live further inside. The children still go to school by water taxi. Many young local people go to work by water taxi. Even the monks at the local temple along the canal, they still go out for the alms by boat. Every early morning, the monks have a small wooden boat to put the alms bowl in the front of the boat, rowing along the canal to collect food from people. Those local people who provide them food to give to the alms, this is just waiting at the dock. Okay? When you see the monks coming with the boat, they invite the monk to call in. When the monks are invited, the monk row the boat and stop the boat in the front of the houses. Open the lid. The people offer cooked food, cooked rice, soup, curry, fruit, dessert, what they prepare into the bowl. Okay? And the monk go further until the bowl is full. The monk go back to the temple and share what they have to each other. And they have breakfast and they give some for lunch, not for dinner. Why? Because Buddhist monks have 2 meals a day, breakfast and lunch, and not dinner. But after 12 o'clock, the monks no food, only drinking water, milk, juice, and not alcohol. Okay? They drink soda, water, milk, juice, Ovaltine, until next morning. So if you come up here in the morning, 6:30, 7 o'clock, you see many local monks rowing the boat to collect food from local people along the canal. So on the left-hand side is the more traditional, with many wooden houses. On the right-hand side is the more modern house. So some local people succeed in the distance. They torn out the old wooden house to rebuild with the new modern house. And on ahead of us there, this is a tollway, the western tollway from Bangkok to the West Thailand, the same direction to River Kwai. Either travel to River Kwai, that's the that direction. But tomorrow we don't go direct to River Kwai. On the way we go to visit the floating market. This is a local temple, ladies and gentlemen. Now they are having the temple fair. They are having the temple fair at night. It's very lively with entertainment.